how to create invoice in Sage 50. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an invoice in Sage 50. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to create an invoice in Sage 50, you have to follow these steps. Step 1, open the invoice section. Go to sales and click new invoice. Step 2, enter customer information. Type the customer's name or select it from the list. To add a new customer, click the arrow, select add a customer, enter the details and click save. Step 3, enter invoice details. Enter the invoice date. Add a reference number if needed. Verify or add the main address. Step 4, add items to the invoice. Enter a description for the item or service. Choose a category if needed. Enter the price or rate and specify the tax rate. Confirm the total amount. Step 5, add notes or attachments. If necessary, enter any notes or terms and conditions. Attach files by selecting attachment and uploading the required documents. Step 6, save and finalize the invoice. Click Save Invoice, Save as Draft, or Save and Add New. To print, email, or download the invoice, open it from the sales invoice page and select the desired option. So that's how you can create invoice in Sage 50. That's all for this video.